Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, till today your evaluation 1 will be completed and we are going to start after evaluation our unit 8, and in that unit 8 the first page which we are going to do, that is page number 12, I love my India. So when we are talking about our country, which is India, so the first question which arises in our mind, that what is the name of our country? So name of our country is India. And the second thing which you must be knowing, that the official name of India in Hindi is Bharat. Fine. You might have heard also that our country name is Bharat, that is official name of India is Bharat. And why do we call Bharat? Bharat name is given to our country after the second son of Raja Dashrath, that is Bharat, and after their name it is called Bharat. So earlier we do not have this name because when other countries were ruling on our country, then we do not have all these names. So now I love my India. In this we are going to learn about our nation, the different national symbols we are going to see, and we will learn about it. So what is there, children? In this we are going to see that what are the national symbol of India and fill in the blank which is given in a book. Apart from that, we will see few of the questions that is related to our country, that is India. So let's start today's class. So let's start with that page, I love my India. See children, whenever we were talking about national symbolizes that we were talking about our nation. Fine. If in USA, regarding to USA, I am going to ask that what is the national fruit of USA, then that national word symbolizes about USA. Now if I'll use national word, it means that symbolizes our nation, that is India. And as I told you just now that the official name of India is Bharat. So here this page is related to our national animal, bird and all these things. Along with this, I am going to tell you few of the important things that is related to our nation. So first of all, that is not given, but what is the national capital of India? National capital of India is New Delhi. If I'll ask from you, or if somebody will ask from you that what is the national capital of India, you will give the answer that New Delhi is the national capital of India. Now come to next thing. If I'll ask that what is the monetary capital of India or financial capital of India, financial means the place or the city which pays highest tax. You might have heard about it that I have paid this much tax, I have paid that much tax. So tax is what? That money which was took by the people of India on their income. For example, if somebody is earning 10 lakh rupees per annum, then he has to give 5% to the government, because that money is earning in the country itself and that money is generated in the country itself. So for that, every government is taking tax on that particular amount. Now if I talk about tax, the amount of tax is quite less in India. if we'll compare with other countries. So as I told you that if you are earning 10 lakh rupees, then 5% of that you are going to give it to government. Now what is next? That why that particular city is called financial capital? Because that city is contributing in the maximum tax. 30% of the tax amount is only contributed by that city. Now what is the name of that city? Which is called financial capital of India or monetary capital of India, that is Mumbai. Fine. Now we'll come to our book. Now in your book, what is given first? Now Noi needs your help to identify the national symbols of India. Again, national word that I have explained already. Now fill in the blank with the correct option. Number 1. Our national animal is the... Now here we have been given 3 options. So our national animal is the... Which is our national animal? Yes, correct. Tiger is the national animal. Might be so many of you were knowing about it also. So what you will do, you will put the tick on the correct option as well as you will write it down in the blank also. Now come to number 2. Our national flower is the... Which is our national flower? Our national flower is lotus. Now come to 3rd. Our national bird is... Our national bird is peacock. See here, we'll talk about few more national things and that we are going to take it once we'll complete with this and then we will take it. Now 4th one is our national fruit is... Which is our national fruit? National fruit is mango. Why mango is called national fruit? Because in our country more than 350 varieties of mangoes were available, and from our country only it is exported to other countries also, and huge production of mango is there and wide variety of mangoes were available. That's why mango is called national fruit of India. Now come to 5th. Our national tree is... And so many of you are calling it banyan tree. It's not banyan tree, it's banyan tree. Number 5 is banyan tree is a national tree. Banyan tree. And why banyan tree? जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में बरगद का पेड़. So banyan tree is... Why banyan tree is called national tree? Because it is the oldest tree which we are founding in our... So it is found that banyan tree is the oldest tree. Fine. And which symbolizes our symbolizes our generations, and it has a long life. That's why banyan tree is considered as a national tree. Apart from this, one more thing is there, that our national emblem. So right now I am not talking about the national emblem. Before that I am going to talk about our national flag. See, if we were talking about our nation, then national capital, which I have told you Delhi is the national capital. I'll write it down here. National capital. National capital is what? Is Delhi or New Delhi. National capital is New Delhi. That is very important. Then next, which is very important, that is financial capital, that you have to remember, that is Mumbai. Next, which is important, our national flag. National flag. Now what do you know our national flag by what name you know, that is tricolor, or we called it Tiranga also. Why we called it Tiranga? Because it has three colors. We called it tricolor or Tiranga, and it has three colors which are saffron, white and green. Saffron stands for sacrifice, then white stands for peace. Remember all these also. Saffron stands for sacrifice, then we have second flag, the second color of the flag is, that is your white, and white stands for peace. Number 3 is green. Green stands for what? Green stands for that greenery, that crop production, that revolution which we have. Fine. And in between that we have a wheel. Wheel. Why we have taken wheel? Because wheel is discovered in India few thousands years back. Our ancestors have discovered wheel, and wheel is a symbol of regular or continuous development. Earlier it was not there. Earlier when the flag was adopted in 1930, then we have that चरखा, बापू जी का जो महात्मा गांधी का चरखा होता है, that was there in between. But later on it was removed क्योंकि वो चरखा जो था वो that is a symbol of a particular thing related with a particular person. तो उसको बाद में remove करके we have that wheel in between that flag on that white strip. And what is the color of that wheel? The color of that wheel is blue. And in that wheel, if you have seen that in the wheel we have different lines also. And in fact when we are drawing the flag, then we are also drawing these lines. So can you tell me what is the number of these lines? How many are these? We have 24. And what are these lines called? That is spokes. We have 24 spokes. Now why we have 24 spokes? Because when India got independence, at that time we have 24 states. At that time we have 24 states. So those 24 states are symbolizing in this chakra, which is blue in color, and in between that flag on white strip. So 24 spokes were there. And what one more important thing, that when our country got independence, which is the first state which was formed? So the first state which was formed after independence, that is Andhra Pradesh. Fine. Andhra Pradesh is the first state which was formed after independence. Now what next? Nowadays how many states are there? Because after knowing about nation or knowing about our country, then we'll move to states, which is a second part. Nowadays we have 28 states, and then we are going to talk about union territory, that we will talk about it later on. Now after national flag, what we have? After national flag we have a national anthem. We have a national anthem. Now a national anthem is, that you all are aware of it, that is Jan Gan Man. Jan Gan Man. And who has written this Jan Gan Man? Jan Gan Man was written by Rabindranath Tagore. A huge name in literature. If we talk about literature, a huge name in literature. Rabindranath Tagore. A huge name in literature. And when we are talking about literature or those things like Nobel Prize, so Rabindranath Tagore is the first person of India who got Nobel Prize for its wonderful work in the field of literature. So Rabindranath Tagore. Now one more thing is there, that we have national song also, which is a national song. We were doing in the assembly that let's start national song. So our national song is Vande Mataram. Now you will not get confused that national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. It means that national song will also written by Rabindranath Tagore. No, national song is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Remember this name. National song is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Now we'll talk about national emblem, which is our sixth question. National emblem. Now you might have seen this national emblem in the cap of army person, in the cap of your father, or in the cap of your any person who is there in police and in navy or in air force. So this national emblem is, what is that? That is the lion capital. What is that? What is showing in that national emblem? You have been given three options: the Ashok Chakra, Charkha and the lion capital. So that is the lion capital. Lion capital. Now what next about it? Find how many lions are there in this national emblem. So if you will give answer that 3 lions are there, then your answer is incorrect. We have 4 lions, 3 are there in the front and 1 at the back. And from where this national emblem was took? That national emblem was taken from Ashoka's pillar. Fine. Now why it was taken from Ashoka's pillar? Because Ashoka is one of the biggest king of India before independence, before like in 13th, 14th century, we have a huge king, that is Ashoka, and Kalinga, that is there in, right now it is there in Patna, Bihar. So that is the capital of Ashoka, and it is found that a huge region of India was ruled by Ashoka, great king. And later on he adopted Buddhism also. So today what we have done till now, we have done few things that is a symbol of our nation. So let's revise it once. What we have learned. See, apart from this, if you want to learn that what are the national things which symbolize, that is your national currency, that is rupee. Rupee is your national currency, which is again an important part of our country, which symbolizes that what we are getting for our country and what we were giving to others, that all these things will be happened with rupee. That now what next? That here we have done what are the national animals. So let's revise once. Which is a national animal? Tiger is the national animal. Then national flower of our country, that is lotus. Now national bird, that is peacock. National fruit, that is mango. Why mango is called national fruit? We have apple also, we have orange also. Why only mango is called? Because in our country we have more than 350 varieties of mango, and we were exporting mango all over the world. Now number 5 is banyan tree, which is a national tree, banyan tree, the oldest tree we will find on the earth. Now next 6th is, which is a national emblem, that is the lion capital. Along with this, we have done our national capital of India, which is our first question. National capital of India is New Delhi. Along with that national capital, I have told you one more capital, that is financial capital. Financial capital of India is your, yes, that is Mumbai. And what is the old name of Mumbai? Bombay. Right now also you will find it out many offices which are holding that old name, like BMC, Bombay Municipal Corporation. They are holding that old name only. They have not changed. So earlier we were calling Mumbai as Bombay. So many cities were there. Their names have been changed. Now come to national flag. Our national flag, which is Tiranga, and it is tricolor. That's why it is called Tiranga. We have three colors: saffron, white and green. Saffron stands for bravery, or saffron stands for sacrifice. White stands for peace, and green stands for your green revolution, crop production, that. So now in between that flag we have this chakra. Now what this chakra is there symbolizing? The chakra is symbolizing that we keep on moving, we keep on doing development. And the spokes, the lines in between that wheel is showing the number of states in our country. That is 24 spokes were there. Why we have 24 spokes if now we have 28 states? But when at the time of independence we have only 24 states, then this chakra in between the flag was adopted at that time. That's why this chakra is having 24 spokes. Now come to the next one. What is next? After this we have next thing which we have, that is our national anthem, that is Jan Gan Man, which was written by Rabindranath Tagore. After this we have after national anthem. What is the duration of our national anthem? What is the duration? When we are singing it, there is particular duration of national anthem, that is 52 seconds. What is the duration of national anthem? That is 52 seconds. Now what next? Next I have told you which is a national song. National song. National song is Vande Mataram. National song is what? Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram, which was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Now you will not get confused that both national anthem and national song was written by a same person, that is Rabindranath Tagore. No. National song, which is Vande Mataram, was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee has written this national song Vande Mataram. Earlier it was written in Bangla, because they both, Rabindranath Tagore and Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, belongs to West Bengal only. West Bengal only. That's why earlier it was written in Bangla, but later it was converted and then we started singing in Hindi also. But actually it is a Sanskrit song. So what next about national? We have done national flower, national currency, that I have told you, rupee. Now if you will ask that national, in the national currency we can take name of paisa also. No, paisa is already included in rupee, that you are not going to take separately. Paisa is there in rupee only, because 1 rupee consists of 100 paisa. So that is already included in that you will not mention anywhere separately. Now what next is there? Next is very important thing about our nation, that is who is the first person of our nation. Now first person of our nation is our president. Fine. First person of our nation is president, And the second person of our nation is vice president. President means हमारे जो राष्ट्रपति होते हैं, that will become the first person of our country. And who is our present president? That is, yes, Ramnath Kovind. Sometime few of the children were confusing with their name, that what is the name of the president. So the name of the president, the present name of the president is Ramnath Kovind. 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 Ram. President is, who is the present president? That is Ram Nath Kovind. And one more thing is that he is only called the first person of our country. First person. Then who is the second person? That is our vice president. Now, right now, who is our vice president? Venkaiah Naidu. Venkaiah Naidu. Now, third thing which is very important, third person is Prime Minister. Prime Minister is the third person, and who is this is second person, and Prime Minister is the third person. And who is our Prime Minister right now? Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. So these three things you will remember. The first person of our country is president. And who is our president right now? Ram Nath Kovind. Vice president is the second person of our country. Right now the vice president is Venkaiah Naidu. And Prime Minister is the third person. And Prime Minister, who is the present Prime Minister, that is Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Along with this, you have to remember that how many states are there at present. We have 28 states. How many states are there? We have 28 states, and along with 28 states we have 9 UTs also. Now what is UT? UT is Union Territory. Union Territory. You just remember it. 28 states and 28 states at present, and 9 Union Territory. Now 9 Union Territory which are sharing a common capital. For example, Chandigarh is capital of 2 states, that is your Punjab also and Haryana also. So that Chandigarh will become one Union Territory. Come to Delhi. Delhi is sharing a common capital, so that will again become Union Territory. So these are few of the example. Apart from that, we have other Union Territory also, which is sharing a common capital between 2 states. So 28 states and 9 Union Territory. That also you will remember. All these things are round and round related with a nation only, national only. That's why I had a thought that you must be knowing about all these things. And after this, we are going to do states and their capital. In every class, we are going to learn 2-3 states and its capitals. So 28 states are there. So we'll learn it. Now, first of all, our state. What is the name of our state? Our state is Uttar Pradesh. And right now we were living in Uttar Pradesh. And if in some of you are belonging to some other state, so you will remember that right now we were living in Uttar Pradesh, and what is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? That is Lucknow. So these few important things were there. And who is the chief minister? Now, Prime Minister is the head of the whole country. Prime Minister is one only for the whole country. But for every states, we have different chief minister. That we will take it in our next class. Fine. Next class is related to our states only. So in that we are going to take this 28 states and few of the states we will learn and their capital we will learn, and the chief ministers also we will learn. So today I am going to finish our class here. I hope you all have enjoyed knowing about your own India, your own country. So now in the next class we are going to continue with the states. So right now we'll finish. That's all for today, children. Have a good day.